Hi there, this is Florian from SharePoint Sapiens, and in this short video I'd like to introduce to you a new possibility we suggested to one of our clients regarding sending a ticket with a QR code via email to users that enroll in an event using our event management app. So what does this mean? It works like a concept ticket, for instance. Once registered, your users will receive a ticket with a QR code, and on the day of the event, the QR code can be scanned to check in the participants. So once the QR code is scanned, your users will also appear as checked in your list of participants. But first, let me briefly introduce to you our event management app. So our event management app is used to schedule and share all kinds of events, enroll users or allow them to enroll themselves. Once registered, users will receive a calendar invitation via email, including all the relevant information. It will also appear in their calendar to make sure no one misses it. The good thing about this is also that the event management app fully integrates into SharePoint and Microsoft 365, which means that you can use additional Microsoft 365 apps to combine and add features. In this specific case, a Power Automate flow to send tickets with a QR code and a Power App to scan the QR code or scan the tickets and check in the participants. But now let's take a look at the solution. Here we can see one of the SharePoint websites where I have the event management app installed. And as you can see here, I already prepared or created a few events. So this means now we can look at this from an end user perspective. So this means as a user, if I'm now interested in one of the events, I can just click on them. So let's just go and click on that 2022 Sales Award. And now I can view all the event details, and I have the option to enroll myself. So let me just click here, and in the enrollment form, we can see my user already showing up, my username. So just have to save this to complete the enrollment, which means now this will create enrollment. We can see here the enrollment was successful, and also we can see the enrollment details here on the right side as well. And now I will receive calendar invitation and also that ticket. Here we can now see my inbox, and we see that I already received the invitation. So as you can see here, it's a regular calendar invite. And of course, the email body can be customized, so you can really decide what information users should receive. In this case, let me just accept this. And of course, this means the event will then show up in my calendar. Here we can also see that I've received an additional email now, including or containing the ticket. Of course, the subject, the body, all of this can be changed. But the important thing here is the PDF attachment. So let's take a look at this. Here we can see in the ticket, it's pretty basic. So it just has the event title, event date, unique ticket ID, and the QR code. But all of this, of course, can be changed. So you can really decide what this should look like in your Power Automate workflow. This means now the ticket can be used. I can bring it with me on my mobile. I can print it. And then at the day of the event, the QR code scanner can be used to scan that QR code and check in the user. So now let's take a look at this. So here we can see my iPhone, and I can use the Power Apps app to open the Power App that we created for this, for the QR code scanner. So it's pretty basic. It's just this one button there that we can use to scan in that ticket. So let me just click on it, and let me point to the QR code. So it scans it immediately, and it will then verify if the registration is successful. We can see the users now checked in. We can also see the unique check-in ID, and then we can go next to scan in the next ticket. So now let's go back to the SharePoint view, and let's take a look at what it looks like from an organized perspective. So if I go to For Organizers, I can see all the events, and if I click on the event I created before or I enrolled myself before, I can go to Manage Enrollments, and then I can see the list of participants. In this case, we can see I'm the only one registered at the moment. I can see I'm enrolled, I've accepted the invite, and also here you can see that I'm now also checked in. So this is one possible solution how to achieve this. For this, we use the combination of Power Automate flows and the Power App. If you're interested in the implementation, or if you have any other questions, please reach out to us. We are happy to share further details, including the flow, the Power Automate templates, and so on, so that you can start building it on your own. You can find all the details and contact information in the description below. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.